Hi all, in this video I will teach you how to solve an initial value problem numerically with the help of Runge-Kutta method of fourth order. Now these are the iterative formulas where xn plus 1 and yn plus 1 are obtained after computing k1, k2, k3, k4. Problem 1. Using fourth order Runge-Kutta method, solve the initial value problem y dash equal to x plus y given that y at 0 equal to 1 in the interval 0, 0.2 by taking h as 0.1. From the given data we know f of xy is x plus y and x naught is 0, y naught is 1. Since h is given, let us take h as 0.1. If not given, you can take 0.1 itself. Let us compute the first iteration. K1 is h into f of x naught y naught. We know f of xy is nothing but adding x and y. Therefore, x plus y, x naught plus y naught. We get K1 as 0.1. K2 is h into f of x naught plus h by 2, comma y naught plus K1 by 2. First you have to compute the variables x naught plus h by 2. Similarly, compute the variable y naught plus k1 by 2. So, after computing the variable 0.1 by 2 we get. So, here also we get 1 plus 0.1 by 2. Now, you know we have our function f of xy is x plus y. Adding these two and then multiplying 0.1 we get k2. Similarly, k3 is h into f of x naught plus h by 2, comma y naught plus k2 by 2. First compute the variables x naught plus h by 2 and y naught plus k2 by 2 and then substitute in the function f of xy which is x plus y. So, we get k3 as 0.1105. Similarly, find k4. K4 is h into function of x naught plus h, comma y naught plus k3. Here variable is x naught plus h, y naught plus k3. Compute these two and substitute in the function f of xy is x plus y. And then multiply by h we get 0.12105. After computing all k1, k2, k3, k4, substitute in this formula, that is y1 is y naught plus 1 by 6 k1 plus k4 first value plus last value plus 2 into remaining values 2 into k2 plus k3. We get y1. We know x1 is x naught plus h. So, which is 0.1. So, we have got x1 and y1. Next, use these values to compute x2 and y2. For second iteration, again k1 is different. These k1, k2, k3, k4 are different from the first iteration. So, here k1 is obtained by using the formula h into f of x1, y1. We know x1, y1 from our previous iteration. Substitute that in our function f of xy. You know f of xy is x plus y. So, adding these two and then multiplying 0.1 we get k1. Again find out k2, k3 using these formulas. Also k4 we get y2 and you know x2 is nothing but x1 plus h. So, we have finished with the first problem. Problem 2, solve y dash equal to minus 2x cube plus 12x square minus 20x plus 8.5 where y at 0 is 1 for x equal to 0.5 using both the methods, Euler method as well as Runge-Kutta fourth order method. Also find the error in each method. Let us write down f of xy. X naught is the initial value 0, y naught is 1 since h is not given, but we have two different methods to solve and it takes too much of time if you are taking h as 0.1. So, I am going to take h directly as 0.5. Because we are going to compute within one step. Because we have to find out the value of y when x equal to 0.5 within one step I have to finish the problem. So, I am taking h as 0.5 itself. So, using Euler method, you know the formula for Euler method y1 is y naught plus h into f of x naught y naught. I have computed y1 and using Runge-Kutta method of fourth order I have to find out k1, k2, k3, k4. After finding all the values, substituting in y1, we get the value of y1. For exact value, we have to solve this differential equation. dy by dx is minus 2x cube plus 12x square plus minus 20x plus 8.5 by integrating on both sides. Now to find out the exact value, put x equal to, to find out the constant here, I am going to substitute the initial condition. So after substituting the initial condition, put x equal to 0, y equal to 1, we can compute the value of c, which is 1. Substituting this in our solution, now this is the analytic solution which we get. To compute the error, I am going to put x equal to 0.5 in the analytical solution just now obtained. So this is the solution, analytical solution. To compute the error, we are going to use the formula numerical value minus exact value. Now this is the exact value, numerical value we have obtained using the Euler method as well as Runge-Kutta method. Substituting, we can see how much error we have here, both sides. Now you can see that Euler method is giving more error as compared to the Runge-Kutta method of 4th order. So usually we prefer Runge-Kutta method of 4th order to solve numerical value problems of initial value problem. Problem 3. Solve y for x equal to 0.2, 0.4 using Runge-Kutta method of 4th order. So here dy by dx is given and initial condition also given. You can find out the value of y when x is equal to 0.2. I am going to take h as 0.2 itself, because within 2 steps I can find out the value of y corresponding to x equal to 0.2 and x equal to 0.4. So within 2 steps we have covered the answers. Problem 4. Use Runge-Kutta method to solve dy by dx equal to minus 2xy square, where y at 0 is 1 with h equal to 0.2 in the interval 0 to 0.2. Here also, since h is 0.2, within one step we are going to find out the solution. So take k1, k2, k3, k4 and then find out y1. We get this answer. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.